Hi everybody, my name is Ritu and I'm the founder of Obino, which as you can see is a weight loss coaching application. So what really started this journey for me? Well, this started for me 5 years ago when I had my first baby, a beautiful baby girl. The baby was only 2.5 kg and I was 25 kg. So just a quick look at, I used to be that, a beautiful size XS, and I went into a size large without even trying. So it was at this point of time that I started trying to lose weight, and like a lot of people, I initially thought I can do this myself. What's the big deal? I'll join a gym, start eating better, walk more, so on and so forth. Nothing happened. About a year later, I was about 1 kg lighter, and that's when I really started to panic. Thankfully, wisdom dawned. I went and joined a dietitian program, and in 3 months, I paid a lot of money, but I lost 7 kgs with her. And that's when I started thinking. I said, I'm doing all the work, but she's making all the money. And there was something wrong with that. Anyway, I dropped out of the program, and over the next 3 or 4 months, I went on to lose 12 kgs on my own. And that's when I went back to the workplace. And I realized that practically everybody in the workplace was struggling with a weight issue. The girls were constantly on a diet, the guys were trying to put on weight, gain muscle, there were 40-year-old senior VPs trying to lose that extra punch. And that's when I felt that there is an opportunity here that we ought to be tapping. And that's really what led to the birth of Obino, so to speak. So a quick look at the context. The market today is burgeoning. It's a 950 billion INR market in India alone, of which 80% is devoted to weight loss, right? 80%, those numbers are huge. And when you break it down to the actual figures, there are over 140 million people obese, 62 million diabetic, over 120 million which are heart diseased. And what is crazy about all of this is it all starts with excess weight, with obesity. It starts with you being overweight. But is it easy to get rid of all that weight? Unfortunately not. Having been there and done it, it is tough, but it looks a lot tougher than it actually is. So we broke down the problem and we said, we know that losing weight is not easy. Yeah, first of all, it's really complicated from the outside. Looks even more complicated with the amount of misinformation out there. 2, experts are available, but they're very expensive and they're inaccessible when you need them. For instance, you go to a restaurant, are you going to be able to call up your dietitian at 9 p.m. to tell you what to eat? I don't think so. And very importantly, weight loss in the beginning is very exciting, right? Because you have a purpose, you have a mission. After a few days, the excitement falls and then it gets really boring. So these 3 key problems were what we set out to solve. What is the solution that we've built in Obino right now? We've essentially built proprietary tools that substitute an expert. So we've put an expert mobile dietitian on your phone who's there for you to ask questions, give you meal suggestions, help you stay on your diet plan, remind you to eat, drink water, take your medicines, all within the privacy of your mobile in your hand 24/7. What we've also built are contextual reminders. So you're in office, you forget to drink water, it happens to me a lot. The app will remind you to drink water 8 times a day. You forget to have dinner on time, it will remind you to have dinner on time. You forget to take your meds, this is a chronic problem which puts God knows how many people in hospital. This will remind you to take your meds. What we also have is a small but highly engaged and enthusiastic community of bloggers and experts who basically have lost a lot of weight and now write about their experiences to inspire the group and build a forum and get people talking about how important it is to lose weight and how tough it really isn't to lose weight. What is our roadmap? Well, to give you a small idea, we've been live in public beta for about 3.5 months now. We have in excess of 6,000 downloads and a strong and happy user community. We have a 4.1 rating on Google Play from about 100 users. And we have a lot of testimonials, people writing into us, telling us that they're liking what we're doing. But we realize that what we need to fix is drive more engagement, drive more stickiness, make the product much more fun, and ultimately give a real life experience of a coach on the mobile. So literally build a mobile avatar of a traditional weight loss coach, and that's what we've set out to do. In a few days, we'll be rolling out our premium subscription model where you get tele-counseling with dietitians and experts. We're also building our task-based coaching model where you do a task, you get rewarded, and that translates into money or points, right? And all of that keeps you engaged in a whole social aspect. Another thing on our roadmap is community gaming. Weight loss is actually a very social activity for women. So we said, why not take that insight and build a game around it where you pledge that you will lose weight and your community of friends and family will encourage you by pledging that kind of money. And if you hit your weight loss target, all the money that goes into the kitty comes right back to you. So we literally pay you to lose weight. I think that'll work. And quick look, people ask us who are our competitors, what's our differentiator? Our competition is everybody. Right down from Gold's Gym to VLCC to offline diet clinics to weight loss apps internationally to weight loss apps in India. But I think what sets us apart is that one, we're definitely on the mobile where the space is fairly uncluttered in India. Very few apps have a strong Indian database, and if you're an Indian, you know that the food you eat is very different from what everybody across the world eats. And most importantly, we're building a social, gamified mechanism which will keep you on track with your weight loss efforts. And I think that is going to be the key to our differentiation. A quick advantage checklist, we have proprietary technology, we're on the mobile, which is a relatively uncluttered space but moving fast, and we're going in with a gaming mentality because we want to make this fun. I think that gives us a chance to entrench ourselves socially, but the window is small and we need to move fast. A quick look at our business model. We're doing a B2C strategy where we reach out via various social media forums, groups and marketing platforms. We're also following a growth hack through B2B2C where we're basically going to corporates and convincing them to provide our application on a discounted basis to their massive databases of customers and employees. We've had a lot of success and we've signed on a few corporates with whom we'll be rolling out campaigns shortly. What we're hoping to see and experience over the next few months is an evolution in the product. We have a very strong product development roadmap and we hope to build a product that can be used by Indians, which understands Indians and learns with the consumer to help him lose weight. So what's interesting is that this isn't really our first try. We actually started off about a year and a half ago, and because I'm ex-telco myself, I used to be brand manager for Bharti Airtel for their mobility division nationally. We started off providing diet plans as a value-added service through Airtel to a lot of customers. We saw a lot of traction, but we really felt, given the tumult and the new TRAI regulations that came out, we felt that the telco VAS ecosystem wasn't really where our future lay. And in the February of 2013, we decided to pivot and go completely B2C. That's when we conceived of this app and started building this product from the ground up. Though it's taken us some time to get there, I think what we have as a very clear differentiator is that we've built India's first meal recommendation engine with over 5.5 lakh calorie counted meals that delivers personalized suggestions basis your profile and weight loss goal. We also generate diet plans on the fly, whether you're a working professional, pregnant woman, young mother, or you just have an active toddler for whom you want a great diet plan, we do that on the fly. So I think these are things that it took time to build, but the results have certainly paid off.
Hi Ritu, super presentation. Seems like you've gotten yourself in a really big space. I mean, clearly it's a massive, massive market and we Indians are less disciplined than Westerners, so we also suffer from these problems. The pros, I think you're thinking about how to get to market. You're thinking about things like offline ways of engaging, leveraging a corporate methodology, leveraging blogging, which is online, gamification, I think is super important. So I think you're thinking about this in all the right ways. That said, you are super, super early in this journey. With 6,000 downloads, you still have a lot to figure out. Is the market accepting the quality of data you're providing? Are your algorithms effective? Is your UI UX engaging? So a lot of these are the challenges you're going to have over the next few months as you get from 6,000 to say about 100,000 users. I think at about 100,000, your product is proven. At that point, then it becomes expansion, getting into more and more users' hands and figuring out ancillary revenue streams. In your case, I think you had a 300 to 600 rupee price point. I think that's attractive to get started. though longer term, you'll figure out more and more ways. There'll be bite-sized helpings. Maybe there'll be a 50 rupee call that they can make to just speak to a dietitian. Maybe there'll be the 5,000 annual plan that you'll have, which will be fully assisted. You'll end up with a lot more stuff. But you'll have to figure out what's your focus and get your first 100,000 users with smashing UI, great algorithms, and really good high-quality localized data. I do know FitHo is in this space also. They've actually written a book, which is I think called Losing It. They're doing fantastically well, so you've got your hands full. So good luck to you.